Use a chalk line to ensure the tiles are installed straight. Mix tile adhesive together properly. Add tile adhesive to the back of the foamy tiles. Comb tile adhesive into straight ridges. Carefully place foamy tiles onto the wall, ceiling, or floor. Make sure the tiles are installed flat against the wall by using a slab tool. Prepare the grout to add between the tiles. Add grout to grout bag, making sure to cut the bag relative to the size of space between the tiles. Apply grout in between tiles slowly. When grout is half dry, use a scraper to remove excess grout. Use a grout bar to improve the appearance of your project. Use a dry sponge to clean up dirty blots. This is the wall before, and check it out after. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps us out a lot. Thanks guys, and hope you have a wonderful day.